أشرف المرسلين سيدنا ومولانا وسندنا وقائدنا إلى الجنة محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله ذوي القربى وصحبه والتابعين لهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. آمين. أدوك فو ولو وبا. الحمد لله. أدوك فو ولو وبا ولله ولي. الحمد لله رب العالمين. nítorí pé ọpẹ́ lọ́lọ́run béèrè kámi àdúpẹ́ o. ọpẹ́ lọ́lọ́run béèrè kámi àdúpẹ́. bẹ́ẹ̀ bá dúpẹ́ orí yóò gbà mìíràn. ẹni kọ̀ tí ò dúpẹ́ o yóò ṣàbámọ̀. ọpẹ́ lọ́lọ́run béèrè kámi àdúpẹ́. ọpẹ́ lọ́lọ́run béèrè kámi àdúpẹ́ o. ọpẹ́ lọ́lọ́run béèrè kámi àdúpẹ́. ẹni tó bá dúpẹ́ orí yóò gbà mìíràn. ẹni kọ̀ tí ò dúpẹ́ o yóò ṣàbámọ̀. ọpẹ́ lọ́lọ́run béèrè ká máa dúpẹ́. Torí àwọn kan tí wọ́n wà pẹ̀lú wa, because I think we have a mixed audience here. For the purpose of Yoruba non-speaking part of the audience, I would like to switch between two languages of Yoruba and English. As we are about to commence the lecture for today's program, so the celebrants of the day stepped in. Wow. We give thanks to Almighty Allah, Alhamdulillah, the Lord of the worlds, the creator of the heavens and the earth, the sustainer of everything therein. We thank Him, we adore Him. We bear witness that He has none worthy of being adored except Him alone. Allah. He has given us the day to be here at this moment. We thank Allah. Alhamdulillah. Now we have recited two very important chapters from the Holy Quran as a form of supplication to Allah. Continue to bless her. While we are waiting for her to settle down, I greet all our fathers. I believe you can speak Arabic today. Say salam to me. You are speaking Arabic. Somebody say Allahu Akbar. You can see the celebrant that spoke Arabic to us. She said salam alaikum. In case you don't know the meaning of salam alaikum, she said, may the peace